Last time we met John, Sunita, and the expert, the three roles every AI system needs. But before you design any of that, stop and ask one honest question. Does this problem even need AI? Let me take you back. When you got your first mobile, around 2003, there was the IVR system. Press 2 for account balance. It still exists today. My very first job was exactly this. Computer telephony integration. A language called VXML, Voice XML, reading the tones from your keypad. Now watch what that old system does. You press 2. It calls the bank's server, fetches your data, and speaks. Your balance is 5 million. It senses, it decides, it acts. Isn't that a brain? It is. A small one. And that's the point. Even a small program with a loop and a condition is already a little bit of brain that you have put in. We've been building these little brains for decades. We just called them programs.
Okay, so loops and conditions are already a brain. Then where is the line? When do I actually need an AI model?
First, see where you don't. Analytics, dashboards, alerts, SciCD. You commit your code and it deploys itself. None of that needs AI. Think about it. Before ChatGPT came in 2023, weren't all the systems in the world working? Rockets had automated guidance, cars had automatic gears, everything worked. You need AI in one specific situation. You know the input, you know the output, but you cannot write the function in between. No formula, no if else, no loop that you can derive will get you from one to the other. That's what an AI model really is. A shortcut for a function you can't write. You can't derive the formula, but you have the data. So you train on the data, and the weights become that function for you. A box that you couldn't code by hand. So here's the rule. Try simple code first. A decision engine, a few conditions, will solve more than you think. Reach for AI only when you know the input and the output, but the function is beyond you. And when you do need a model, should you build your own from zero? Never. Next time I'll show you why that's like building a compiler to sell samosas. See you there.